among the Oromo people is an organization responsible for heinous crimes, countless atrocities, which its leaders perpetrated against innocent civilians. Fido, you are representing the OLF. How do you respond to that?
That's false. In fact, the Oromo people love the Oromo Liberation Front, and that's in fact their difficulty. One of their leaders said if they want to arrest an OLF, it would be difficult. They don't have enough prisons because Oromos believe in this organization. This is their institution.
All right, but how about the heinous...
a lot of things to
Fido,
the Oromo people.
Fido, but how about the heinous crimes, the countless atrocities?
We are against violence. We want to solve this problem peacefully through negotiation. The Ethiopian government refused. Several times we have asked by governments, we have initiated the talks for peace. They refuse because if OLF goes in and works freely among the Oromo people and others, then they will lose. They don't want to lose. As a minority, they are scared.
All right, Mohammed, let me just bring in Mohammed for something.
We are carrying arms just protect ourselves.
Right.
Self-defense. We are in our country. We are we don't go to other places. We are working inside Oromia. In there, when we are among our people, we have to defend our people and ourselves from these intruders.
There's something I have to push back on, and Mohammed, I'm going to trust you as a journalist, and I want you to be completely transparent. So when the Ethiopian government talks about heinous crimes, countless atrocities, please at least enlighten us about one or two of these instances where they may say violence may have been used by the OLF.
I'm certainly not privy to the information that the government is looking at, but what I do know, I can tell you as a journalist, and many other journalists who've covered in Ethiopia can tell you, is that the Ethiopian government is known to fabricate and produce fake documentaries to accuse and also persecute their opposition. A very clear example of that is just about 2 months ago, a story that was also published on Al Jazeera was that there has been a growing Muslim movement in that country. They produced a video essentially saying that the peaceful protesters on the streets of Addis Ababa have connection with terrorists in Mali, in Nigeria, and in other places. Totally something that is not related. Where the protesters are in fact asking basic questions. So again, I don't have the information in front of me, but I'm not aware of any such heinous crimes. But I would like to emphasize that the crimes that this current government has committed against the Oromo and other ethnic groups really in that country amounts to something more